Good evening and welcome to Thai PBS World. Thailand will triumph. With that, in his national address on Monday, Prime Minister Prayut Chan-o-cha today went ahead to introduce the toughest measures yet to combat the worsening coronavirus outbreak. And Bangkok's nightlife and sporting events will become the latest casualties, as all the entertainment places and sport venues are to be closed for the next 2 weeks at least.
In a scene that underlies the gravity of the situation, Prime Minister Prayut and 5 of his cabinet members all donned surgical masks while announcing the new package of measures at a press conference at the government house to stem the spread of the deadly virus. The tough measures were proposed by the high-level committee tasked with combating Covid-19, headed by Prime Minister Prayut, and were approved by the cabinet earlier today. Prime Minister Prayut said starting tomorrow, all entertainment places in and around Bangkok will be closed for 14 days. They include nightclubs, pubs, massage parlors, and spas. All sporting events, including boxing and horse racing, will also be prohibited until further notice. Events with mass gatherings, such as concerts, exhibitions, and religious functions, will also face the same restrictions. All schools and universities will also be closed. The measures, which are unprecedented in recent history, came hot on the heels of a report of 30 new cases of coronavirus infection today. The Public Health Ministry said 11 of the cases are related to a group of boxing fans who had earlier tested positive for the virus. They were among thousands of people who attended a boxing event at Lumpini Boxing Stadium in Bangkok on March the 6th. A well-known Thai actor and singer, Matthew Dean Chantawanit, has admitted that he also contracted the virus at the boxing venue on the same day. The new 33 cases have brought the total number of infections in Thailand to 177. Prime Minister Prayut on Monday appealed to Thai people to cooperate with his government in coping with this difficult time, ending his address by saying, "Thailand will triumph." Prayut today insisted that the government has no plan yet to put the country on lockdown, as had been widely speculated. "Who is talking about lockdown? But we need to impose control," he said. While foreign travelers can still land in Thailand, he said, they will be subject to tough screening at airports. They will be required to have health insurance and health certificates that are not older than 3 days and subject to monitoring through mobile phone applications. He also gave an assurance that all hospitals and medical facilities throughout the country have been put on a state of highest alert in anticipation of possible continuing spread of the virus. The cabinet today also approved the proposal to postpone the extended Songkran holiday, which was originally set for April 13 to 15 to avoid mass movements of people during the traditional Thai New Year's Day. The Prayut government's decision to take tough measures to cope with the pandemic followed an announcement yesterday by the Malaysian government that it is putting the country on lockdown by shutting its borders to travelers and closing schools and universities. It has also ordered most businesses, with the exception of those providing essential services, to shut after the country's number of coronavirus cases climbed dramatically on Monday. Let's hope that the measures being taken by the government will help roll back the spread of the deadly virus. And one thing we need to remind ourselves, we are all in this together, and only a collective action by everyone will help us go through this very difficult time. And that's all for Thai PBS World tonight. Thank you for watching and take care of yourself.